Hi, everybody. Thanks again for tuning in. Today, we're going to be doing a delicious, fantastic breakfast sandwich that I absolutely love. For this recipe, it's really simple. The ingredients you want to use. You just want to use one egg. You can use a large egg or a small egg. It doesn't matter. A slice or two of red onion, roasted red pepper. I love using onion bagel. That's my preference. Doesn't have to be yours. A handful of spinach, one slice of Munster cheese, but you can use any other cheese you want. You don't have to be limited to what I use. A little bit of butter and olive oil, and then I do pepper to taste. You can actually absolutely add some salt in there if you want to. I like to prep my ingredients first, pre-slice all my pepper, my onion, things like that, just to save a little time in the cooking process so I can kind of assemble everything quickly and efficiently. I just add a little bit of butter to the pan as it's heating with some olive oil. The olive oil prevents the butter from getting brown, so you want to make sure that the pan's not too hot. You want to keep it probably medium high. Not go too much further than that because you don't really want to burn the egg either. I like doing my egg over easy. Um, you don't have to do it over easy. I just really like the fact that when you bite into the egg, the yolk runs out and makes a little sauce. Again, you can do it over easy, you can do it over hard, you can do it any way you want. There's really no wrong way. When I assemble the egg, I like letting the cheese melt on the egg. I let the heat of the egg melt it so it doesn't ruin my pan. But you can absolutely melt the cheese on the egg in the pan and then add it to the bagel. And then I just assemble it pretty straightforward. It's cheese, spinach, onion, and then I do the roasted red pepper. And I just love this combination of flavors, and I want to share it with you. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit, and I truly hope you enjoy this breakfast sandwich as much as I do. I love the flavors, and please tune in next time for my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.